students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn maths. Come on, we will begin our chapter. Subject is Mathematics, Standard 2nd. The topic is number 7. What is the meaning of place value? Dear children, today let us learn about the place value. Okay? Observe this. Here 35 is written by using pictures, right? We can see here 5 single boxes and 3 bundles of tens, isn't it? That is nothing but 3 tens and 5 units, right? About this we have learned in the earlier video. The number is 30 and 5, that is 35. Correct? One more example we will go through. Here you can see units place and tens place, and here in the first box in the units place there is nothing, is means here 0 units, right? And in the tens place we can see 5 bundles of tens, so that is 5 tens. Each bundle is of 10 boxes. So the answer is 5 tens, and when we write this in the words, it is 50 and 0. 5 tens is nothing but 50, right? 50 and 0, that is equal to 50. Here one more picture we can see here. Some single boxes are there. These are called as units, and some bundles you can see, right? Elongated boxes one above the other, that is 10 boxes are there in each bundle. Now count this: 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here 5 tens and 6 single units. Both together, that is 5 tens plus 6 units together make 56. Right? We'll write in words 50 and 6, that is 56. Correct? Okay. Here, can you tell the value of each digit in the numbers shown below? See, this is our table. Unit place, you know this. Tens place, correct? Always to the right hand side units place will be there, and next to the units place you can see tens place, right? Here we can see in the unit box there are some pencils, and tens box nothing is there. Means how many pencils are there? We can see here 6 pencils. So we will write 6 units. What is the value of these 6 units? 6 is in unit place, so the value is 6. Am I right? 6 single pencils are there. So the value of 6 is 6. Here you can see one more table: units place, tens place. Here we can see tens and units. How many tens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens are there, so we will write 5 here, and 3 units. Here what is the value of 5? 5 tens, right? Means there are 50 50 boxes. Correct? There are 5 bundles are there. And 5 is in tens place, so 5 tens are 50. Isn't it? And the value of 3 remains as it is because only 3 single units are there. So 3 remains as it is, that is the value is 3. Okay. Next, here you can see units tens. Okay, here we can see the string of beads and some single beads. Okay, now we will count this. How many strings are there? 2. And how many units are there? 7. Am I right? Means one string has 10 beads. Means total there are 20 beads and in a single 7 beads. So the place value of 7 is 7 and place value of 2 tens, that is nothing but 20. Correct? See one more. Here we can see the bundle of matchsticks and single matchsticks. How many bundles are there? 4. So we will write 4 tens and 6 singles. So we will write 6 units. Okay, what is the value of 4 and 6? Yes, you know 6 is in the unit place. So the value is 6. And 4 is in tens place. There is nothing but 4 tens are 40. Got this, children? I hope you understood about the place values if it is given like this in the boxes. Right? See one more here. Now here we will write the digit in the numbers. We will write the place value in words too. Okay? Units, tens. Here we can see some notes of tens and some coins of 1. Right? Okay. How many tens are there? Yes. 5. 5 10 rupee notes are there. So 5 tens and 5 units because 5 coins you can see. Right? So if you want to write the same thing in words, that is 50 and 5. That is 55. Isn't it? Correct? Here also we will write in words, units, tens. Here we can see the bundle of sticks in the tens place and single sticks in the units place. How many bundles are there? And how many single sticks are there? Yes, 3 single sticks are there and 4 bundles are there. Now, how to write in words? Yes, 40 and 3 makes 43. Right? Yes, dear children, here one table you can see. In the first column it is numbers. They are given 98, 75 and 70. Correct? Now, second column is tens column. Here it is written number multiplied by 10. Okay? And in the last one is unit column. Here number multiplied by 1 because unit means single. So we are multiplying the unit number by 1 and the tens number means the number which is in tens place, that we will multiply by 10. Okay, we will go through this. First you see here 98. Okay, 8 is in unit place and 9 is in tens place. You know that, right? Always to the right it is unit place and to the next of unit, that is tens place. Right? Okay. Now here we will write. First we will write about the unit place. Here 8. Okay, this 8 multiplied by 1 because this is in unit place. Single, correct? Single. So, is equal to 8 ones are 8. Okay, now we will move towards 9, that is in tens place. So, here it is given number multiplied by 10. So, 9 multiplied by 10. How much? 9 tens are 90. Right? Okay. Now we'll move to the next number. 5 is in unit place. So 5 multiplied by, yes, 1. Very good. 5 ones are 5. Correct? And 7 is in tens place. So 7 multiplied by 10. That is 70. Correct? Okay. Next number is 17. 1, 7. 7 is in the unit place. So 7 multiplied by 1, that is 7 ones are 7. And 1 is in the tens place. So 1 multiplied by 10, that is equal to 1 tens are 10. Got this, children? Some more we will practice. Here 45, 50 and 22. Okay, here 5 is in the unit place and 4 in the tens place. Means all these numbers, they are in the unit place and these numbers below T, they are in tens place. Okay, we'll begin. 5 in the unit place. So 5 multiplied by 1, that is equal to 5. 5 ones are 5. And 4 multiplied by 10, because 4 is in tens place, that is 4 tens are 40. Here 5 and 0, correct? 0 units. So what we will do here? 0 multiplied by 1, right? Then what is the answer? 0 ones are 0. Remember this, okay? And what about the tens place? 5 is there. So 5 tens are 50, isn't it? Right, 50. Here you can see the same number twice. 2, 2, 22. Correct? Now we will take these 2 first. 2 multiplied by 1, that is 2 ones are 2. Now we will take this 2. 2 multiplied by 10, that is equal to 2 tens are 20. Got this, children? Yes. Here again we can see the table. Numbers are given and some numbers have underline. Right? Here 67 is there. 7 has underline. And here 83 is there. 8 has underline. Now here what we have to do? We have to write the place value of underlined number, and in this column we have to give the explanation. Okay, we will go through. First one, 67. We have to consider only 7 here because the number 7 has underline, right? So we'll write here the place value of 7 is how much? Come on, tell me. What is the place value of 7? 7 is in unit place, right? The place value of 7 is 7 because that is a single. It is in unit place. Same explanation we are going to give here, as 7 is in the unit place. So the place value is only 7. Got this? Next, 83. 8 has underline. So we will write here the place value of 8 is how much? We know now what is the place value of 8. Very good. 80. Right? Why? Give the explanation. We'll write here as 8 is in the tens place. So we have multiplied 8 by 10. So we got the place value 80. Isn't it? Here number 10 is there and 1 has underline. We'll write here the place value of 1 is, come on tell me, what is the place value of 1? Very good. It is 10. Why? Because as 1 is in the tens place. Correct. Now in the second number, 33, it is there and the first 3, that is to the right hand side 3 has underline. So the place value of 3 is how much? 30 or 3? 3. Very good. Because as 3 is in the units place. Right? Very good. 66 and 40. 6. The place value of 6 is 6. Good. Why? Why that is 6? Because 6 is in the unit place. The place value of 4 is how much? 40. Very good, because 4 is in the tens place. I hope you understood this properly. Am I right? Correct? Okay. Now, write the place value of each digit in the numbers given below. See dear children, here number is given 22. We have to write the place values. The concept is same, but we have to write in different way. See here, aromas are there. Means 1, 2, that is to the right hand side 2. The place value of this 2 is only 2. And the 2 to the left hand side, the place value of this is 20. Because this 2 is in unit place and this 2 is in tens place. Got this? How to write? 20 and 2. 38. I hope you understood this also. 8 is in unit place. So the value is only 8. And 3 is in tens place. So the value is 30. Right? Next number 41. 1 is in unit place. So the value is 1. And 4 is in the tens place. So the value of 4 is 40. 60. Given number, right? The value of 0 and the value of 6. 0 is in unit place. So the value is 0. And 6 is in tens place. So the value is 60. Right? Next number 86. Here 6 is in unit place. 8 in the tens place. So the value of 6 is 6. And the place value of 80 is 80. Because it is in tens place. Right? 95. 5 is in unit place. 9 is in tens place. The place value of 5 is 5. And the place value of 9 is 90. Right? Yes, dear children. I hope you understood all the things about the place values of 2 digits. Isn't it? So here one small assignment is there. List 10 2-digit numbers. You have to list 10 two-digit numbers. For example, 35, 72, 98, 56, 63. Any 10 two-digit number you have to write first. Then write the place value of each digit. Whatever we did now, that like that you have to do. Okay? You have to mention the place value of each number. Got that? Yes? Thank you, dear children. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new updated videos.